Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Oh yeah, it's Rose. Completely forgetting my intro. Yeah, so today's video is a little different. Personal fact about myself is that since middle school, I've always been into crystals and gemstones. I take that back. Since I was a child. My mom has this, I still feel guilty about it so many years later, of how I used to play with her jewelry when I was like 3 years old. And I would sometimes take her jewelry and wrap them up in like tissue and stuff. And I was really fascinated with her diamonds. And diamond happens to be my birthstone, by the way. And then I was also really fascinated with her opals. And I'm on a tangent right now. But long story short, she had this big, beautiful opal ring that had diamonds around it. Everything was genuine. And I wrapped it up in some tissue and kind of put it in like a hidey spot. My dad was cleaning and he ended up throwing it in the trash. 3 decades later, my mom still reminds me to this day, and I have vowed to like buy her another one of those, and this is reminding me how I haven't done that yet. But anyway, let me stop talking about the traumas of my childhood. Long story short, I've had a long fascination with gemstones and crystals, and within the past, I would say 3 years, gotten reacquainted with it all by investing in them, like crystal specimens and stuff like that, and the palm stones. But then I found this awesome page, which I will link all our information down below. It's a small business out of Kentucky called Sarah Belle Style. She actually hand makes fabulous jewelry, and she also sells the crystal specimens too directly at really good prices, I might add. Her prices are awesome. And she has like these inspirational Facebook lives and a Facebook group and meetings and programs you can join with affirmations and putting intentions forward into your life and all that stuff. But anyway, I will link all her stuff down below. I found her on Instagram actually, because I decided that I really wanted to get reinvested into the whole world of crystals and gemstones by finding jewelry that I could wear every day that would hold special meanings due to the stones that the pieces contained. And so I did some searching online, actually found one of her brand ambassadors that had like a 20% off code, which I could put that down in the description as well. This girl doesn't know who I am. I don't really know who she is. I just saw that 20% off code and was just like, hey, I'm going to use it. I ended up buying 3 bracelets because I think if you spend over $75, if I'm wrong, future editing Rose will correct me, you get free shipping. This business is based in Kentucky, and the first positive thing I have to say about this business is that I ordered these bracelets like on a Thursday, and I believe I got them like Saturday. It was crazy. And so this is what I'm here to show you today. This is not an unboxing because I've had these bracelets actually for a couple weeks now. I've been wearing them every day. I've gotten so many compliments on them. And I've had 2 friends already check out her site who plan on ordering from her. But anyway, this is the colorful envelope that it came in. I don't know if this is like a trademark color of hers. You can see that the bag is the same color. But this is a color that you typically see with a lot of her merchandise. But this is the package it came in. And then the bracelets came inside this velvet pouch that has the message stand firmly in your light. Very inspirational. Now something cool that Sarah Belle Style offers is she actually has a monthly subscription box program centered around these bracelets. Each month is a different theme. Now I didn't commit to that program only because I'm looking for very specific bracelets to own. But that is something that you can consider. I will link that down below as well. I think it's like the Find Your Light box, something like that. But that is something that she offers, and then along with the bracelet, you get a crystal with it, like a 1 to 2 to 3 inch crystal with it. that goes along, and an affirmation and intention card, which is pretty cool. But anyway, this is the very nice, almost feels like suede. No idea what this is made out of. Bag that the bracelets came in. And then here's a thank you card. What a nice special note, which I thought was really sweet. It says, thank you, Rose, Heart, Sarah. It has information about the do's and don'ts of the bracelets, where to find her online. She even has a 15% off code right there, thank you, for me to use. And then carrying tips on the back. How to store, how to wear, how to clean your jewelry. And then each bracelet has a theme. I don't think I mentioned that earlier. The 3 that I got were the Abundance, the Intuition, and the Modern Chakra bracelets. They explain the stones that are in each one, and then what each bracelet is supposed to bring forth to you in your life while you wear them. The power that the bracelets hold. And so here's the part that you've probably been waiting for. Let me show you the bracelets. Okay. Now the first one I show you, I do wear specifically at night because it's supposed to help with like insomnia, and it's supposed to be calming and soothing. And I don't know if it's like a placebo effect, but I feel like it definitely has been working and helping with my insomnia. But this is actually the Intuition bracelet. It has quartz crystal, which I'm sure you can see the quartz crystal goes around the majority of the bracelet. And then it has moonstone, which I believe moonstone would be this one that's right here, because I see the, there we go. It has the moonstone that is right there, because I can see the dark flecks. Don't know if my camera's picking it up, but yeah, do you see the little dark flecks in there? There we go. Like the dark striping. That's the moonstone. And then the white howlite is this stone that's right next to it. Yeah, that's the white howlite right there. Now the quartz crystal clears negative energy. Moonstone is known for connecting you to lunar energy and your divine feminine nature to build intuition. White howlite promotes calming and relaxation while supporting the crown chakra and connecting to the angelic realm. Amazonite is this greenish, green stone right here. And it reduces stress. And then this one right next to it is the lava stone, which I believe you could use as a diffuser. You could put like your essential oils on there and it'll retain the scent for you all day. The lava stone helps purify the energy field along with the Tulsi ground, which is this bead. This brown bead right here. And then I think this is her trademark coin right there. All right, well that's the Intuition. Of course, this is made with a stretch elastic. I have very small wrists, and so when I wear these on my naked wrist, they do slide up and down like my wrists. I know you can't tell on video right now, but it's really small. And so I've started wearing these on this wrist with my watch above my watch because it prevents them from sliding up and down. But okay, that's the Intuition bracelet. The next one I will show you is the Abundance one, and we all know what abundance means. Here's a look at this bracelet up close. Very unique. Really liked how she styled this one. Now this one, of course, contains quartz crystal. It has them in the more natural, like not in the bead form. There we go. Has it more in the pointed form right there. Of course, it amplifies all the crystal energy present, and again, Clears negativity that may be blocking what it is you wish to manifest. Now this has pyrite in a beautiful polished form. You know, pyrite usually looks like a golden nugget. It's this smooth, polished bead, which I really love. And of course, pyrite carries the energy of the sun, and it's good for manifestation, taking action, and abundance. And another stone that's good for abundance is citrine, which is an orange stone. When I hold it against my finger, you can kind of see the orange hues. Citrine supports achievement, success, building wealth, having confidence and courage. And then right next to the citrine is jade. Now I am half Asian, so of course we are long believers in jade bringing wealth and prosperity. That's my jade ring. And the jade is for prosperity, abundance, health, and longevity. And then there's Dalmatian jasper. These 3 spotted beads right here. Now this actually includes flecks of black tourmaline in it for grounding and protection. And then the rest of this bracelet is made of that Tulsi right here, which is a powerful adaptogenic herb that helps in times of stress. So that is the abundance bracelet. And then the last one I got is the modern chakra bracelet here. And yes, this one's very beautiful. I was very attracted to it because of I think one of my favorite stones. It's so hard for me to say. Labradorite. That's what this bracelet is mainly made of, and my light is not doing it justice at all. When I look at this under much brighter lights and sunlight, you can see all the different like rainbow hues reflect on the inside. It just looks gray on my camera, which is pretty disappointing. But like in sunlight, you'll see blue, you'll see oranges, you'll see yellows, you'll see pinks. It's a very beautiful stone. But okay, so of course this is the modern chakra bracelet designed to support, align, and balance your energy centers. They've stepped out of the traditional box with this one. The base crystal, again, is labradorite for cleansing and protecting the energy centers. And then here are all the individual pointed stones here. Which, let me see if I can go in order. Let's see. Okay, we got the root chakra, which would be the Dalmatian jasper, which I've already talked about because that's in the abundance bracelet. Right next to that is the orange quartz for amplifying intentions. Right next to that, oh wait, the Dalmatian jasper was for the root chakra, orange quartz, sacral chakra. Solar plexus chakra is tiger's eye, manifestation, action, willpower. The heart chakra is rose quartz, emotional balance, love and compassion. The throat chakra is amazonite, speaking your truth, calming. The third eye chakra is amethyst, spiritual expansion, meditation. And the last one, the crown chakra, is angel or quartz, connecting to divine realm. Again, I hate the new light I'm using. It's not really doing this justice, showing the iridescence of some of these quartz. Like this orange quartz is really iridescent. You'll see pinks and different shades of yellow and orange in there, along with the angel or quartz. You normally would see pinks and purples in there. But unfortunately my light's kind of washing it out a little bit. But yes, these are the 3 bracelets that I got from Sarah Belle Style. So far, so good. I highly recommend them. Now, these retail originally for $33. I think 1 or 2 of these were actually on sale for like $26. I can't remember which one. But then, if you remember from the beginning, I found the brand ambassador that had a 20% off code, so I was able to apply it. So I ended up getting these 3 bracelets containing all of these genuine gemstones and crystals. Originally, they would have been right at $100, but since shipping was free, the 20% off code, I got all 3 of these with tax for only $79. So they came out to being roughly $26 each. Absolutely love these bracelets. If you're looking for some awesome jewelry containing natural gemstones and crystals, and you want to support a small woman-owned business, then please check Sarah Belle's style out. I highly recommend her. And this is going to be it for today. So again, this is Rose. Thank you for watching this crap. Again, I will link everything down below about Sarah Belle's style, the coupon code that I found. And if you found this video at all helpful or entertaining, then please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, become part of my random family. And don't forget to click that bell for notifications. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day, and hopefully you'll be seeing and hearing from me again very soon. Since having these bracelets, I feel like I've been on a roll, folks. A great roll of productivity that I really, really don't want to lose. But anyway, see you guys soon.